When you hear Federal Reserve, you might think of banks, interest rates, or even conspiracy theories, but the real story of America's central bank is full of secrets most people never hear about. Before we dive in, a few quick disclosures and disclaimers. I am not politically left or right-leaning. I consider myself compassionate but without compromise. I may agree with or concede some objections and points made in the comments. My objective is to initiate civil dialogue on controversial subjects. It's good to have a healthy debate to create awareness and perspective. For example, most people think the Fed is the federal government. It's not. Please have friendly discussions. It's okay if people agree to disagree. To make these videos, I have to work within the venue's policies and biases. I can't use some title suggestions because they could get these videos banned. All information is provided for general information use only. Nothing in these videos is rendering any professional advice. Please don't blame me for various institutions or policies set up 60+ years ago, and then rate me harshly for events that happened before we were born. Let's treat each other in a professional, respectful, and friendly manner. Okay, let's get started. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. Did you know the Federal Reserve was planned in secret? In 1910, a group of powerful bankers and politicians snuck away to a private meeting on Jekyll Island, Georgia. For a week, they created a plan to reshape America's financial system, without the public or Congress knowing the details. The mysterious founders were gathered from very wealthy families. The founders of the Fed included top Wall Street bankers like Paul Warburg and Senator Nelson Aldrich. They used fake names and fake jobs on the train ride to hide their mission. Their work laid the foundation for the Federal Reserve Act of 1913. For over 100 years, the Fed's secretive origins have fueled conspiracy theories, from ideas about shadowy bankers controlling America to rumors that the Fed is a private cartel. In reality, it's a unique blend of public and private, a hybrid that's still controversial today. Most people think the Fed only prints money, but it also acts as a bank for banks, sets key interest rates, bails out the financial system in crises, and plays a quiet but powerful role in stopping bank runs and depressions. The Fed wasn't the first U.S. central bank. There were two before it, both shut down after controversy. The Federal Reserve doesn't own America's gold or control the dollar alone. The Fed's decisions can affect everything from mortgage rates to job prospects, even if you've never heard of it. Despite persistent myths like that the Fed is above U.S. law, the truth is it faces oversight from Congress, audits, and regular public reporting, but it still shapes trillions in the economy, often behind the scenes. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. Let me know in the comments what other Fed topics you want me to decode.